This is Medellin.
We are in COMUNA 13, Medellin's dark past of crime and drugs. It has now been cleaned up and it's Medellin's top tourist attraction. Come join us and spend the day with us here.
These are the cards, and then you just tap. Okay, keep the card. It was how much? I don't even know.
We paid for 6 trips.
6 trips.
And the card itself was 12,000.
12,000, and 6 trips was. They have these platforms in the subway that shifts you from one side to the other side. Oh, actually, it just extends the platform. Oh well, so much for the handicap thing. This is the metro in Medellin. Very safe. Feel very safe. Free Wi-Fi too. And this is the train here. This is the COMUNA 13 stop. And this is where you can switch over to a free cable car. Saint Javier station up there to the top, which was a nice gem of a find, to the last stop. Some real local places and great views of the city. And to the left when we get off out of the station, this is COMUNA 13, a 10-15 minute walk from here. Beautiful place, nice day, and it's rainy season, and we were afraid. It was a perfect day today. We are here in Medellin on 13, the prior area that was full of thugs and drugs. This is the most important place, top place to see. Look how colorful it is up there. We're ready to go. Zoo here. It is a zoo and it's hot. Hold on to your stuff. It's very crowded. Hold on to your stuff big time. Very crowded. Bit of a tourist trap, but probably fun. Here at COMUNA 13th. Very busy, a bit touristy. Just a lot of fun, I guess. Haven't reached the escalators yet, but it keeps going. Why is there a Christ the Redeemer here? All these photo ops cost money. Very noisy here. Can't believe people used to live here and they used to be part of the drug cartel. This place is a noisy place. You can see all the props there, from Jesus Christ to hands to hearts, stars, every little prop there. It's just stall after stall selling the same stuff. Make sure you try the ice, fruit ice. Get a beer for 3 or 4,000 pesos. sure the souvenirs are cheaper downtown. Lots of little bars where you can have a drink. This place goes on, COMUNA 13. Wow, it's everywhere. It's a long area, big area. They're isolated, and that's why they had to go into the drug trade, because of this isolation in this community. 13. Beautiful place. And then we're here at the top where people are selling stuff. Everything. All these picture photo shoots with Snoopy, butterflies.
Somewhere with cheap beer with a great view. Go and look for this neon looking hand here. We kind of walked about 10-15 minutes out from the main area, and the beer is 3,500 pesos. And yeah, that's $1 US, and they tried making us pay 8K. I mean, whatever, doesn't really matter, but it's 3.5 each.
Here we are on the gondola going up. Here we are on top, the last stop from COMUNA 13 on the cable car. There's an observation deck here. Lots of birds. You can see all the towns below. You went up and down a few times on the gondola. It is a huge city. It is scorching hot. It's supposed to be rainy season. Don't believe the weather. It's actually very nice. Free. Look at this view. It goes up and down, and it's a residential area, and you even have good food, cheap food. Just got a mango smoothie. It smells so good, these mangoes. What's this?
Avocado.
Oh, avocado. Avocado? Ah, whoa. That's $5? That's ridiculous. $2. Oh, gracias. Oh. Okay, let's try it, man. That must be no sugar at all, just water and mango.
It's literally purely mango.
And it's like
5,000 pesos, which is 2 Canadian
when you're up
dollars.
here, you could use all these machines for free. With this view, look at that view. You could do some chin-ups there. View. Ghostly trees of Medellin. Noisy and tacky. That's how you summarize how COMUNA 13 is. Not very cultural. The sun is setting here. We've been here for like 3-4 hours hanging out, drinking a lot of cheap beer, but that's fine. A day out in Medellin.